Which smart LED strip lights are actually worth your time? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the answer. Today, we're breaking down 5 fantastic options that can really transform your space.
Product number 1. Govee RGBIC LED strip lights. Priced at just $13.49, these lights instantly caught my eye with their vibrant color options and impressive features. If you want to elevate your room's ambiance without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. These lights feature smart RGBIC technology, which means they can display multiple colors on one line simultaneously. This is a big deal because it creates a more dynamic and visually appealing effect compared to traditional RGB lights. Plus, you can control them through the Govee Home app, giving you the power to customize colors and brightness to fit your mood. The music sync feature is another highlight. It syncs with your music and creates a mini light show, which is perfect for parties or just chilling at home. With over 10,000 units sold last month, it's clear people love this product. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking to create a fun and immersive environment, these lights are a fantastic choice. Now, some users have mentioned that the adhesive on the tape can be a bit weak if not installed on a clean surface. Here's the thing though, as long as you prep the surface properly, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a college student or someone looking to add some flair to your living space. Skip this one if you need something meant for outdoor use, as they're not designed for that. For the price, you really can't beat what you get here. Now, if the adhesive issues sound concerning, the next product takes a different approach.
Product number 2, the KSIP ZE 100-foot LED strip lights. Priced at an eye-catching $9.99, this option really grabbed my attention because of its length and flexibility. If you want to cover a large area without breaking the bank, this one's worth considering. These lights offer a full 100 feet of RGB color-changing goodness, making it easy to decorate an entire room or even multiple spaces. You can control them via both an app and an IR remote, letting you access 16 million colors and various modes like flashing and fading. The built-in mic also syncs to music, creating a lively atmosphere, perfect for parties or movie nights. With over 10,000 units sold recently, it's clear that buyers appreciate the value here. Here's why this matters for you. Longer strips mean more design options, allowing you to be creative in your lighting setup. However, some users reported that the remote can be a bit finicky at times. But honestly, for the price and the length, I think it's still a great value. This is perfect for you if you love hosting gatherings or want to easily switch up your decor for holidays. Skip this if you need something super high-end with lots of advanced features. At this price, it's a steal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want smart home integration.
Product number 3, Govee 100-foot RGBIC LED strip lights, available for $54.99. This one stood out because of its impressive features and compatibility with smart home systems. If you want a high-quality lighting solution that works with Alexa or Google Assistant, you need to check this out. This strip comes in 2 rolls of 50 feet, giving you a ton of flexibility for layout. The RGBIC technology allows for segmented colors along the strip, which adds a stunning visual effect. You can easily control the lights through the Govee app or use voice commands, making operations super convenient. Plus, the upgraded music sync feature means your lights can dance to your favorite tunes, creating an immersive experience. The 6,000 plus sales last month show it's a popular choice. Here's why this matters for you. The ability to control via voice and the segmented color feature really enhances your room's vibe. That said, some users have mentioned that the installation can be a bit tricky due to the length, but honestly, if you take your time and plan it out, it's not a huge issue. This is perfect for you if you have a smart home setup and want an easy way to control your lights. Skip this if you want something more basic or have a limited budget. For all its features, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly with a more straightforward setup, let's check out our next pick.
Product number 4, Govee RGBIC LED strip lights, 32.8 feet. The Govee RGBIC LED strip lights, measuring 32.8 feet, priced at $26.99. These lights caught my attention because they balance quality with a more manageable size. If you want vibrant lighting without overwhelming your space, this is worth a look. The RGBIC technology allows for multiple colors on the same line, so you get that eye-catching visual impact without needing to install a super long strip. The app control provides a variety of lighting options, and the music sync mode can make any gathering feel like a party. With 6,000 sold last month, it's definitely making waves. Here's why this matters. It gives you flexibility while still being easy to manage in smaller rooms. However, a few users noted that it doesn't support Wi-Fi, which limits some smart home functionalities. But I'll be real with you, if you're not heavily invested in smart tech, this might not matter much to you. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish yet manageable lighting option for a smaller space. Skip this if you're set on smart home integration. For the price point, it's still a fantastic deal. Now, if you want something ultra long that still packs a punch, our final product will definitely impress.
Product number 5, FBY 200 FT LED lights. We have the FBY 200 FT LED lights, retailing for just $17.99. This product drew me in because of its incredible length and budget-friendly price. If you want to go all out with lighting, this is a fantastic option. These LED lights come with a music sync feature that lets them pulse to your tunes, creating an engaging atmosphere. With 16 million colors and various scene options, you can easily customize your space. The 2 control methods via app or remote add convenience, making it easy to adjust settings on the fly. With over 1,000 units sold last month, it's quickly gaining popularity. Here's why this matters. The length gives you so many decorating options, whether you're lighting up a party or just want to brighten your home. On the downside, some users found the installation a bit cumbersome due to the length. But honestly, if you have the time and patience, it pays off with the versatility you get. This is perfect for you if you love to decorate for holidays or events. Skip this if you only need a short strip for minor lighting. For such a long strip at this price, it's an unbeatable deal.
So there you have it, 5 fantastic smart LED strip lights to brighten your space. Whether you need something budget-friendly, long, or smart home compatible, there's an option for you. Pick the one that suits your needs best and let your creativity shine.